Hey y'all, welcome to the Style Chronicles. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you'll be notified of all my recent uploads. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for continuing to be a part of my Style Chron family. I really do appreciate it. Today's video is going to be my second Trunk Club haul. I'm excited to share it with you. It is a Nordstrom styling service. There is a $25 styling fee that you pay, and it is applicable towards anything that you keep. I have really been loving this service for the simple fact that it is a true styling service. So everything that they pull comes directly off the shelves of Nordstrom, so there is no, single brand that is just specific to the styling box. You can find these pieces in store at Nordstrom. You can find them online at Nordstrom. So I really do like the fact that I am able to share with you pieces of clothing that are readily available. So it's not a private line that is just offered through the website or the styling service. It is an actual name brand that you can pick up in store, which I think is great because so many times I share these styling boxes and there might be a great piece or two, but you can't find it unless you're subscribed to that service. And for this, you can easily go in store and find these exact same things, or you can find them on other websites and store as well. So, as I said, it's a $25 styling fee. You do speak directly with the stylist. You're assigned one. You can tell her what you are looking for specifically, and she will meet your needs. They are amazing. Here you have the trunk, the way that it is presented to me when it arrives at my doorstep. I will cover my shipping address and everything, but there you have it. It comes just like an actual trunk, and packed inside are all the goodies. There's about 12 to 15 pieces in each trunk that come. And here is the envelope. We hope you made some room in your closet. And you can set your price preferences. You can definitely share with your stylist your budget and your specific needs for the upcoming month. I shared pieces that I was looking for as well as my Pinterest board. And actually one of these is directly derived from my Pinterest board, which I'm excited about. But here you go. Here are the shipping label to return everything. You literally just pack everything back up and return what you want and you keep the rest. So it has your name and hello, you try the clothes on, tell them what you think, make your selections, and it has everything listed here. There's 12 items in this trunk, $25 styling fee credited towards whatever purchase you do make. And you can refer a friend and receive a $50 credit in your account when they use your referral code. My referral code will be down below if you're interested. You don't have to use mine. Don't feel like don't feel compelled to use it. You're just going directly to Nordstrom if you're interested in the Trunk Club. One of the things in here is a pair of nude pumps, which by BCBG Generation. And these are beautiful. Although I do have nude pumps, so I don't think I'm going to be keeping these, but these are some very nice BCBG nude pumps, which, they're so pretty. I love nude pumps. Such an extension of your leg. It makes everything look nice and long and, pretty. But they're just a great piece to have. This goes with an outfit that was pinned on my Pinterest board. This is a Kendra Scott necklace, which I also will not be keeping for the simple fact that I grow my Kendra Scott collection through my earrings. I'm not big on necklaces, as I've told you guys in the past. I like the necklace that I wear on a daily basis. I prefer earrings too, but this is a very pretty piece nonetheless. Let me get it open. Here we go. Kendra Scott olive necklace in silver, and it is $70. It's a beautiful piece. It's just like I said, I grew little silver chain necklace. The next thing, which I also will not be keeping simply because it is not in my budget this month, although I love this piece very much, is this Rebecca Minkoff bag. This is a beautiful bag. Look at the leather. It's a beautiful kind of pebbled gray leather. Rebecca Minkoff. It's called Putty is the shade. It's the small Darren Deerskin leather feed bag. And it is beautiful. It's $2.95, suggested retail $2.95. It's got this long strap. I don't want to undo everything because I feel like it's just packed up. I don't want it to get ruined or anything. But it does have a turn lock that goes in here. It's got the tassel here. It's just really pretty. And I know you could wear it crossbody, or you could use the straps. And the straps are really pretty too. It has this kind of like O-ring detailing. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? It's like an O-ring detail for your shoulder. Everything does come packaged in its original packaging, so directly like how Nordstrom would receive it in its shipping before it places the items out on the floor. I've already opened everything because it's so time consuming. I didn't want to have to go through that for the video. The Mural blazer in a size small, the curve open front shawl collar blazer. It's $74. I think it's a great little piece. I like this. I don't have a cut like this in my wardrobe, which I'm very interested in this particular piece. I really do like the cut. The fit I think is great. It's a great everyday blazer. So something to have that you could easily take athletic, or you could make just casual, or you could dress up as well, which I like in a blazer because I feel like it's very versatile. The second blazer is a Madewell blazer. It's the Lycee Drapey blazer by Madewell, and it's $98.90. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on a hanger. Here it is. This is a size 4, and it's double-breasted. It has the 2 snap buttons here. They're fabric-covered buttons, which are really nice. And it's got the 2, that it's got the pockets. The sleeves are a little long, and they are also hidden buttons, so it's got this little placket that goes over the buttons. Really nice. It's a very nice. It is definitely oversized, so it's longer. It has the back pleat with the little pleat across this. People forget to pop this. You're supposed to cut this so that the pleat will open up. I can't tell you how many people I see out sometimes wearing blazers that they don't do that. So yes, a very, very nice blazer. It's the V-neck merino wool cardigan by Halogen, and let me get that. This is a beautiful piece. I really do like this sweater. I think it'll be great for fall. This more classic style grandpa sweater, more than I like the open curve cut one. I think I'm going to be returning that one and actually keeping this one because I like it very much. It has this kind of an insert in the back, and it's just so generously sized and soft because it's that merino wool. This is gray dark heather, size small, $49.90. It's actually on sale right now. Racerback tank in gray heather. This is the kind of tank that I absolutely adore. I love, love, love these kind of, like, I call them wife beater tanks. I just think they're so, so great. They're ribbed, they have this kind of round collar, and then that whole racerback detailing in the back. I think it's so flattering, especially if you like to work your shoulders and your arms out. It's just such a flattering cut. It's a little kind of unfinished at the bottom, longer, so you can leave it out and kind of bunch it up, scrunch it up. You could even tie it if you wanted to, which is really nice. It's got a little treasure and bond tag on the side. Very, very nice piece. This is a small, and it is $29. Next is the Racerback lace front tank by Gibson in white, which is also another beautiful tank. Right up my alley, the Racerback, and this one is really, really nice. I honestly did not think I would like this when I saw the picture. The stylist will send you an email before they send your box out so that you can preview everything in your trunk, and you can decide whether or not you would rather replace an item completely, change a color. If this shirt is offered in 2 different colors, they let you know so you can change it if you prefer a different shade, or you just don't particularly care for an item. You can nix it and they will insert something different. So there's a lot of customizing as far as the styling is concerned. A lot of things you can change up. And this is extra small, $42, the lace front tank, which I would never have picked for myself because it's just not something I would gravitate towards, but it's the Smocked Peplum top by Hinge in blue, and it's got this smocked fabric around the bodice, which is so different in comparison to anything that I own. And then this creates kind of a peplum effect around your waist. Really, really nice top in a small. It is, what is it? $59. Which is a really nice shirt, and also came in like a navy blue and a red, which was really, really pretty. Next piece is this square neck tank top by BP, which is a great in-house Nordstrom brand. This is a beautiful, beautiful top. It's a great alternative to the Racerback tanks I just showed you, or a camisole. It's got that kind of square neckline with a tie in the back that's really, really pretty. You can really make that look nice. Very comfortable. This is a size small, and it is $32. Really great tank, I think. I think it's really pretty. I like the red very, very much. I really, really like that red shade. Okay, and then next, the Emma Low Rise Skinny by DL 1961. I actually have on a pair of gray DL 1961s. I am loving this jean brand, absolutely loving it. I just think it's a great, I don't know, the fabric is soft. I love the great fit, really great fit. These are really great color. They're beautiful. They are $178, but they're marked down right now to $102. I really do like these jeans particularly because I'm wearing a pair and I know that they fit, I know that they work. They're just absolutely wonderful. Lastly, the last piece in here, I really do love these. If it weren't for the price, I would be keeping these. The Confident Pant by Current Elliott in green. They're $198. I can't. I love these pants so much, but I can't bring myself to pay $198 for them. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send them back, but I'm going to watch them. I'm going to shop tag them, and hopefully at some point they'll discount and I can find them somewhere else. But they're, I mean, styled like your classic khaki pants, but I don't know, they're very nice. I love these pants. Current Elliott green Confident pants. The look that I'm talking about when you go to Pinterest is a Victoria Beckham look where she's photographed wearing a pair of army pants like this that are slightly rolled at the ankle with a nude pump and then a tank with a blazer on top. That's the look, like that, which I just find so beautiful. But it was all those colors together with the pieces, and as she was like going into the airport or leaving the airport, I don't know, but that was the look that I pinned, and that is the exact look that my stylist created for me with this, you know, kind of styling right there. It's a great look, and I love it. I absolutely love it. So there you have that. I really do like the jeans with the shirts, or even the grandpa sweater with the jeans and like the white blouse, and then of course the nude pump. There's just some great options in here in terms of what to wear and how to pair it together. You could swap out the jeans for the green pants in this case and wear the grandpa sweater with the white tank and the heel, you know, the nude pump. You could just do so many things with the nude pumps. The nude pump with everything, always just so fabulous. She knows my love for racerbacks. I told her, you know, I love a good racerback shirt. I love a good camisole. I like showing my arms off, my shoulders, because those are the kind of places that I work on the most when I work out. So I really do enjoy that. I'm really into sleeveless items because it's Houston and it's hot here, and you know, going in and out of buildings, you get so hot and sweaty, it's crazy. So I love sleeveless things, but I also love to layer. I love to be able to pull on a blazer or sweater on top of those sleeveless items and be covered and, you know, comfortable, but still very stylish at the same time. So I really do I appreciate all of the things she pulled for me. I think they're great. I'm really loving the service, like I said, really loving it. These shoes for sure are so great to have. You could go from day to night with these. Like I said, I have a pair of nude pumps, so I'm not looking to purchase any new ones, although I really and truly would like to have a pair like this on hand that are not so costly. My nude pumps are my Christian Louboutins, and sometimes I feel, you know, you don't want to wear such an expensive shoe. Sometimes you just need a shoe, you know, that looks nice and is nude and everything. So I think it would be a good investment to invest in something like this that is a little more relative towards everyday style for me than my Christian Louboutins are. And then, like I said, you just pack up whatever it is you're returning in the trunk. UPS takes it, and you keep whatever you want to keep. I will put links to everything that I mentioned and showed you down below, as well as my referral if you would like to subscribe to Trunk Club and get started with your own Trunk Club service. It's just so great. I really do appreciate it. I like it. I don't have a lot of time lately to run into stores. My children have me in 3 different directions. I do predominantly shop online for the most part. Everything that I purchase now is mostly online. But thank you so much for watching. I know my voice, you probably noticed, has been in and out. I had strep throat about a week and a half ago, knocked me off my feet. I still cannot completely recover. I think it's kind of turned into a sinus thing as well, so we're still kind of in that gunky phase. But thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate each and every single one of you, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.